MacGyver, and anytime I get a new tool or toy or whatever, I'll usually call Daddy Tech in over here to do an unboxing video. What I got here is something I've been saving up and wanting for a long time, because I do a lot of work with metal, and that's a metal cutting bandsaw. So the cheapest one around, really, that will do fine for me. I wouldn't use it in a machine shop, but is that 7x12 from Habor Freight. But it's about $1,000, and every now and then they'll put it on sale for $8, maybe $8.50. Well, this time they put it on sale for $8, and I signed up online and got a 25% off coupon. And so by the time it was all said and done, I got it for right at about $600, which is within my budget, something I can afford to justify going into debt for. So anyway, I guess we'll unbox this bad boy. What do you say? I'm gonna have to cut down the little staples or something out the side here. Let me get my box
Oh. Remember, ham-fisted?
Well, it comes in handy every once in a while. It's all right. We're keeping the Google Hangout guys in suspense, so we're leaving that back panel up.
Yeah. That's all you get for now. You'll have to watch the video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
I don't care. Yeah. So I'll get what, 4 less views now?
Well, see, you guys see this?
Yeah.
Alright, this is what I've been making. I'm making 4 of these. And what that does is that gives me plenty of horizontal space around the perimeter of the shop that I can move around. It's not bolted permanent. So, and I can just roll it up next to something that I'm working on to have a handy little workbench. And it's just made out of, 1.5 box tubing. But all these pieces that I made, I had to cut them with, a Sawzall. And that's a bitch cutting straight with one of them. So this will make it nice and easy.
Should have bought a bandsaw first.
Right?
Yeah. Well, yeah. But I needed the bench first.
Do what?
Looks like trying to bake a cake with the other door.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's actually a pretty good bandsaw. The reviews have been real good on it from people that have bought them.
And like all you got to do now is build you a forge.
No, I ain't that deep into it. But what I want to do is I want to make my own little ute for the farm here. Because all the damn UTVs, aside from being crackheadedly expensive, hell, for 10 grand I'll go buy an S10 pickup and use it,
Yeah.
But that's really too big. And the UTVs, they're all designed for mud riding and shit.
What happened to the golf cart?
Oh, the golf cart is still out there.
It's only a 3-wheeler though.
Yeah, it's a 3-wheeler. It's a bit of a pain in the ass to, to drive around when you got a full load of dirt in the back bed. And
Sure you could fix that.
the drivetrain, drivetrain's just not really up to it. You know, the motor is good and all that, but it's basically got a little lawnmower transaxle in it, and
Oh, that's not good.
so we're great for a while. But
You need to get you one of those transmissions for it.
well, then I gotta totally redo the whole ass end of the thing.
Complain.
And I'd rather build it from the ground up.
Well, if you're gonna build it from the ground up, do it something electrical.
I don't want to do electric, man. Hey, speaking of which, though, y'all see that Raven that the damn Lowe's is selling? It's a hybrid fucking riding mower / ute. And it's got a 7,000 watt generator on it. And it's electrically driven. And I thought, that thing wouldn't last 5 seconds anywhere, but all the reviews on it have been pretty positive, and it's like $3,000.
Well, you can fix your golf cart up. All you gotta do is get you a junk out snowblower and snowmobile, put a snowmobile motor in your golf cart.
Oh yeah, that'd be fun, man. Little fucker.
Hey Jim, I really do hate to say this, Jim, but your videos are getting more and more like Adam's. You've got Felix the cat down in the bottom right-hand corner.
Oh, you see that?
Hey Shane, do you see this?
I knew that was going on.
Look, Felix is down the bottom right-hand corner. The only thing he's not doing is talking. He's camera shy.
Yeah, and this one's not gonna either. My name's not Steve Cash.
Look at him. All we can see is his ears down there in the bottom right-hand corner. He keeps poking his head up. There we go.
He's sitting on the chair Michael was sitting on.
Oh, the cat, yeah. No.
There he is. Go on, talk, Felix.
Hey, Jim, I think that'd be good for making your front bumper of it.
Yeah.
I actually told him that when he's putting his winch thing on there. Guaranteed a straight cut.
Cut makes it straight.
Oh, I only need one cut.
I think what I think is pretty funny is that every time he buys something, you're the first one to get the use out of it, and when you buy something, he gets the use out of it.
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't the case with his lift.
It all works out in the wash.
This game sucks.
So quit playing it.
That's addicted.
See this post on
It's blaming you and me for it, Phil.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought that was kind of rich. You guys suck because you got him addicted to the game.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it's free anyway. You should have to pay for it. No, it's Minecraft.
No,
Yeah, that's next.
no. I tried the introduction for Minecraft thing. It lasted 3 minutes.
You really wait. So far away. You can play it.
Well, that's the one thing they did say there.
Check your house when
Wheel
you get
set.
back doing Bill's T-Max server. I found somebody in it last night.
Huh?
When you get on Bill's server, check your house. I found somebody in your house last night again.
Who was it?
Happy Clownface was his username.
Okay.
How do you get in? To the door.
Oh, was this on Minecraft or
He's got
something?
his MySpace too, so he's got to be one of the fucking admins.
He was name would be red on the website.
Alright.
No, you do. You just build you another one of those little workbenches, but on a scale side down and put your saw in there. That way you can roll the saw around where the hell you need it.
It's got rollers on it.
That's what I'm putting on now.
I'm actually surviving now in Bill's server, Sean.
Divide it, they leave you alone.
Oh, I've got some diamonds and shit now, so...
I'm bored with that, so.
I think I'm gonna need your help here, Jimbo. We're gonna have to put some in. No, we're gonna have to pick it up off of the.
Yeah, I think it's bolted to it.
Is it? Oh shit. I don't have any coolant. But yeah.
Alright, so Lee, as you're starting to, I know we're here too, you know, keep looking back at but here too, good. Alright, we want to see each other.
It's cool. It's got a little brass wire wheel here to clean the shavings off the blade.
I suppose the other button on the bottom down there is for the coolant.
This switch for the coolant.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'll see what they use at Unipress. All the guys online have said that they use windshield washer fluid, but that's methanol. Seems to me that would corrode shit. Unless they use that.
It's usually a white oil based.
No, it has to be water based, but it's but they also got like a silicone lubricant in it. And
Yeah.
maybe they're
Yeah.
using the Rain-X windshield washer fluid. But I don't know. The regular blue shit, that's methanol. I don't know that I want to use that. So huh? Well, but see, like I said, that's all glycol and shit, you know that? Now, I guess antifreeze might work, but
It'll still rust your blade faster that way.
well, no, antifreeze shouldn't, because it's got all kind of anti-corrosive shit in it, but